Check out this agenda for this weekend. Send my wife this itinerary, you know. What's good, Dap, man? Oh, what's up, JoJo, man? What's going on, man? Menfluential this weekend, man. What you gonna do, bruh? Yeah, man, I'm going to Menfluential this weekend, man. I'm super excited, man. Bro, you know I'm going, right? Bro, how you going to Menfluential, man? Hey, man, I ain't worried about that, bro. You got your flight, man? No, I ain't get my flight yet, man. You got your Menfluential ticket? No, I ain't get my ticket, but I figure maybe Antonio and Aaron will let me slide, man. Let me crash the party, man. What you think, man? What's up, bro? Bro, they not gonna let you in, man. What you think this is, man? I ain't worried about no Menfluential ticket and no flight, man. I'ma be there anyway. Alright, man. I'm about to go finish packing, man. I ain't about to deal with this, man. Alright, man. You have a good night. But don't forget to wake me up, bruh. Cause you know I'm a deep sleeper, man. Yeah, I'll think about it.
What's good, see on Dapper, Aristocrat.
Hold on, man. Dad! Dad! I know you ain't leave me, bruh! Hey, man, his suitcase was right here, man. I know this dude didn't leave me, man. What up, y'all? I'm out here in ATL, about to go to Menfluential. Y'all should be here. Man, I'm so salty at this dude, y'all. I mean, I've been looking forward to going to Menfluential all year, bruh. I bet you he gonna meet a whole bunch of YouTubers. I bet you there's gonna be some subscribers there too. I seen them say it in the comments that they coming to Menfluential. Man, you know they checking for me, bro. You know they ain't checking for him like that, man. I'm the star of the channel, man. I should be there. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna watch it online. Why not, bro? Is that Jeremy Fragrance? Ooh, Thursday boo, man. Oh, I see you, Dap, looking jazzy, man. What's good, y'all? First day at Menfluential went pretty well. They talked a lot about business and how to build your influence as far as business is concerned. How do you make money? I spent a lot of time catching up with some of the YouTubers that I made friends with last year, such as Rich from Assemble Styles. Dude looked sharp. Suit was fire. It was double-breasted, navy blue pinstripe. Also caught up with Lee Style and Fragrance. Also caught up with my guy Mark Moore, who was a great guy. That boy Mark was sharp too, man. You see his suit and tie? Dang! Met a lot of new people today. So it was a really great day today. Getting ready to find me something to do tonight, maybe. Man, this dude probably about to get into bed. And then tomorrow we'll just start day 2. You know what? I'm going to sleep right in this chair. I want to be right here when he walked through the door so I can get that dude a piece of my mind. Alright y'all, so I'm leaving from Menfluential, leaving Atlanta, and it was a great experience. I didn't get a lot of footage because I was doing a lot of networking, plus I was, just trying to build relationships, which is very important in conferences like this. You get an opportunity to meet people that's doing the same stuff that you're doing, such as YouTube, whether they're blogging or they got a podcast. It's a good opportunity to get knowledge from them and share your knowledge as well. I got to meet a lot of new people, so I'm looking forward to seeing them next year when I go to Menfluential as well. I'm looking forward to getting home, seeing my family. Pretty excited to go back. We'll see what JoJo talking about, man. He might be mad at me because I didn't bring him. He'll be all right. Sound like he here now, bro. Oh, I can't wait till he walk through the door, man. Dad! Oh, what's up, JoJo? How can you do this to me, man? I told you to wake me up, bruh. I mean, what you mad for, bro? You ain't had no flight. You ain't had your Menfluential ticket. I don't understand, bro. Did you at least bring me something, man? I mean, dang, you gonna leave me like that? I know you brought me something. Oh yeah, I did bring you something, man. I brought you a name tag for next year. So when you get your flight stuff together and you get your ticket, I got your name tag made in advance, bro. Here you go. Oh, that's cool, man. Hold on, wait. This got your name scratched off of it, man. What, man? Oh, so. All right, man. Let me chill out, bro. I got you some scent birds, man. Here you go. Oh, you got me some scent bird, man. Oh yeah, bro. Here go 3 more. Dang, you gonna hit me in my head, bro? You ain't mad no more? Oh man, I ain't even mad no more, bro. You good? Yeah, man, we good. Thanks, bro. Thanks for thinking about me, man. All right, bro. Alright fellas, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Always remember to be a gentleman, stay dapper, and I'll see you guys next video.